cheese stuffed ravioli pasta flavored with thyme and parsley. It's my creamy ravioli pasta recipe this time. Let's start preparing the chicken and mushroom sauce for the ravioli. Add olive oil or butter to a pan. We are going to fry the mushroom first. I prefer not adding salt to it because it tends to ooze out water, which we don't want. Let each side sit in there for a couple of minutes. Our aim is to have a nice golden brown color on the mushroom. In the same pan, I am going to add the chicken. I am seasoning it with pepper and a pinch of chicken stock cube for that additional flavor. Let the chicken sear. Meanwhile, we will start cooking the pasta. Add enough salt to your boiling water and a bit of olive oil. The ravioli goes in next and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Ravioli is a delicate pasta, so keep checking and sieve it out just before done. Do not throw away the pasta water. By now, the chicken is almost done. I'm going to add onion and garlic. It's time to add the main flavor to the sauce, and that is fresh thyme. You may use dried too or any Italian herbs, but trust me, the flavor of thyme just elevates the dish. Add in the mushroom back again. Saute for a few more minutes. The pasta, cheese and the stock has salt, so taste your food before adding more. Add fresh cream to it. If the sauce gets too thick, add the pasta water to get the right consistency. I don't want to flood the ravioli with the sauce, but to have a nice coating on it. Finish it with a good shaving of parmesan and a handful of parsley. And you're done. Quick, easy, yummy dinner ready to serve. Hope you liked the recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.